Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I am here. I have a slick back, my hair pulled back. I am at the clinic, Med Spa clinic, to get a chemical peel. So I wanted to show you guys my face before. You can see all these like wrinkles here and just, this was going to be my second chemical peel. I got one 2 weeks ago. You can see all this like discoloration. This is kind of how my skin looks, just to give you guys a before. It's just drying out. I have some texture, some spotting. And then when I get done here, I will show you guys the after. So I just left the med spa, and this is after my chemical peel. And I got the wrinkle one that helps with wrinkles. So you can see I got a lot of wrinkles here around my eyes, like a lot, like texture and just wrinkles. So it's supposed to help with that over time. You can see my skin looks so much more moisturized. I do have some discoloration, but this chemical peel works. Like I have an age spot there. It works as the days and the weeks go by. And then when I was there, I picked up some products. So I got the Image Restoring Facial Cleanser. This, they give me a 25% discount because I'm a member. So this was $90 with tax. And then, sorry, this was $30 with tax. The Restorative Facial Cleanser was $30 with tax and my 25% off discount. The Image Restoring Recovery Eye Gel was $90 with my 25% off discount and with the taxes. So, and I'll have everything listed below, the products that I got. And also this product on my lips is also an Image product for their lips. I'll have that listed below too, because I haven't purchased it, but I really want to purchase it because I think it makes my lips look really good and just like juicy, moisturized. So, but anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see everyone in my next video. Bye, guys.